Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the xDeep NX Boltsnap in large. So this is a very clever little bolt snap. It's made out of stainless steel. You've got stainless steel spring and all that kind of stuff, so it's marine sort of water resistant. But it's got lots of little changes all over it that just make it a bit more practical. xDeep basically went to the bolt snap, they looked it over, and they kind of said, oh, okay, it'd be nice if you had this feature and this was a little bit different. This is what they've come up with. So starting at the top, so the overall sort of hook is much larger, and you have a very large spring gate in that as well. So so opening, it gives you a real wide opening, so it makes it really easy to clip things off if you're not sort of looking or you're not too good at clipping off onto D-rings. It gives you a really big gate to be able to sort of get that D-ring in and then clip it off. Now, as you notice, this section is squared off, so that gives you something to sort of brace against on your finger whilst you're sort of doing that spring gate. So, especially if you're wearing big, thick, chunky gloves, gives you something to sort of pull against, so you get a bit more sort of tactile sort of grip on it. The little gate sort of notch, the bit that you actually pull on, that's very squared off as well. Again, big chunky gloves, and it's sort of nice and long, so that gives you a real big sort of grip to be able to get hold of it, instead of the rounded ones that can slip, especially if you're wearing sort of big neoprene gloves. This is much more squared off, so it gives you something to really sort of grab hold of. And then the eye at the bottom, so this is the large bolt snap, so this has a very large eye. As you notice, it's offset. So that means it's great for just sort of grabbing hold of. You typically put your finger through the hole to grab hold of it and the item, and then that sits very neatly in your hand. You don't have a big sort of round section, so it's a bit neater sort of grabbing hold of it and controlling what it's attaching or what it's attached to. And because it's that nice big eye, again, if you're wearing big clunky gloves, you can fit that through. So lots of little details make it very, very smart. I'm definitely going to start adding them to my sort of kit. This is the xDeep NX Large Bolt Snap. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.